Hello everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop Magazine, and today we're going to install the CON2R custom steering wheel in old riffraff. First we go over to the website CON2R.com, that's C-O-N, the number 2R.com, to get your wheel your way. We're clicking on Series 1, Wheel Builder. It's a really cool tool, so you can design your wheel with different spoke patterns, colors, all that. And it's so follow along as we check out their wheel builder here on CON2R.com. We can change offset from 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. We've got standard grip, wood grips, leather wrapped grips. You can even get custom painted. And then there's different grip styles where the grip gets cut, and you can add different colors, different materials. And then here's where you choose the different colors. You can also request for a color pack come to you. So if you're interested to know what Fathom Blue looks like compared to Heroic Blue, they'll send some samples. So we're doing a 50-50 split on this classic 3-bar wheel. You can also do different spoke covers. So for the spokes, we're doing the flat spokes. Going to keep it chrome. And but you can see, just click the different colors and it shows up right there on the left. Your current total of the price of the wheel also shows up on the right, bottom right there, as you go down the wheel builder here on CON2R.com. Different trim elements to dress up those spokes a bit. I'm going to keep this really simple. They have soft touch finish. It's really nice, but we're not going with that this time. Different etched designs to choose from, even a wood horn button. But I think the bullet button will look good for us on this. And if you want a trim ring, I might go clean with it. And then you click order or save your design right here. It's that simple. In a few weeks, you'll be your wheel will be sent to you, and you can install it into your car. So here's how it comes to you. It comes in a velvet cover. It's like, who does this? I mean, that is so cool. So a real nice protective cover, stitched with the CON2R logo. And there's the wheel, like we ordered. This is a pretty simple design. We're using an I Did It column. So that's a previous CON2R wheel we had. And we had to use a adapter for the I Did It column. So here we're taking the wheel off, just those 3 screws. I unplugged the steering column wiring from each other just so that I wouldn't have the horn going off while I'm doing this. And yeah, that's speeded up. I'm not the $6 million man. Oh, the horn wire came out, so just stick it back in, and there's a little key you push in and turn it, and it sticks in there. Now I put the new wheel on. I was already adjusted for driving straight, so it worked really well, but you want to make sure your wheel is straight up and down when you're, so like when you park the car, go ahead and park it with the wheel as straight as can be. It's pretty much that simple. I mean, it's that simple to order it, it's simple to install, and it gives a really nice new look to the whole design. I'm really happy with their wheels. It's a nice sturdy design, and the diameter of the wheel is really nice, fits really well in the hand. They've got the finger grips on the back side too, and then put on the new bullet cap. Beep beep, there it goes. Alright, now I've plugged the wiring back in, and the horn's working. Alright, so that's our new CON2R wheel, custom wheel on our Tilt I Did It column. Alright, so take a look at CON2R.com and the wheel builder, and design the wheel that fits perfect for your style of car. Alright, thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Pinky Swear, and you're watching Blacktop TV.